In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to Django templates and views. But before I do that, let's look at the site's current homepage. Make sure your virtual environment is activated. Also make sure that you're in the root of your project where manage.py is. Run your local development server by typing python manage.py run server. Copy this IP address, open Chrome, and paste it in. This is the project's homepage. I'm going to create a new homepage. Open Sublime Text, and under Try Django, open urls.py. Uncomment the home URL on line 6. I'll change this URL to go to Profiles, then Views, finally looking for a view called Home. I'll leave the name of this URL as Home. So type Profiles and save urls.py. This section here, with the R and $sign, means that this URL will be called whenever a user goes to the home page. This section, profiles.views.home, will send a request to a function called home in views.py. This view home will handle the request and return something. Now that I've explained what this URL is doing, I'll create the home view. Open views.py. Type def home request context equals locals template equals home.html return render request template context. Save views.py. This view will handle the request that is sent when users go to the site's homepage. Open Chrome, refresh the homepage. I get an error message saying that this template does not exist at home.html. Scroll down to the template loader postmortem. I can see where Django is looking for home.html. In template/home.html, here and here. It's not able to find the file. To fix this problem, I need to create a template called home.html. However, first I need to tell Django where home.html will be. To do this, I need to set the template directory path. Open settings.py, scroll down to the bottom, type a comment, and I'll say location of templates. Anything next to a hash is a comment and will not interfere with your code. Underneath this comment, to set the template directory path, type in all uppercase letters template underscore dirs equals bracket os.path.join. Oh, this needs to be in lowercase. os.path.join os.path.dirname base dir going to a folder called static, finally ending in the templates folder. Make sure it looks exactly like this, and then you have the column at the end. Template underscore dirs tells Django where the project's template files will be stored. I'll explain how this path works. It takes in the base dir, right here. So scroll up to line 13, and explain what the base dir is doing one more time. The base dir path starts by getting the file name. The file in this case is settings.py. Base dir then checks what directory settings.py is in, which in this case is Try Django. The final part of base dir path checks what directory Try Django is in, which in this case is source. Scroll back down to template underscore dirs and I'll explain what the rest of this path is doing. The template directory path takes the base dir path and goes one directory higher. This takes the path out of the source directory into the try Django virtual environment folder. The template directory path is then set to go into the static directory, finally ending in a folder called templates. Inside of the static folder, I need to create the template folder. So, open static in Finder and create a new folder inside static and call it templates. There. Create a new file in Sublime Text and save it in templates as home.html. Open home.html and add an h1 tag and close this h1 tag. Then type hello world. Save home.html. Refresh Chrome. Hello world is displayed on the home page. In this tutorial, I covered the fundamentals of Django views, URLs, and templates. See you in the next one.